In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create motion graphics for food video ads in Canva. If you're a food business owner or simply passionate about all things culinary, offering your audience visually stunning ads can make a significant impact. So let's dive right into this creative process, which won't take more than 5 minutes of your time. To kick things off, open Canva. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up, and a treasure trove of design tools awaits you. Once you're in, your next move is to create a new design. For this, head to the Create a Design option and select Video. This will give you the canvas you need to start building your masterpiece. Step into the shoes of your brand by choosing a template that fits your unique vibe. Canva offers a multitude of video templates, so take the time to explore them and find the one that resonates with your brand's personality. This step will provide the foundation for your ad, helping to convey the essence of what you're promoting. Now let's bring your food to life. Upload your food clips or photos. These visuals are the heart of your ad, showcasing what makes your dishes special. Whether it's a slow motion pour of rich chocolate sauce or a vibrant shot of fresh produce, your content should tantalize your audience's senses. To enhance these visuals, feel free to add icons, shapes, or even illustrated ingredients. Canva's library is brimming with options, from cute doodles of food items to elegant geometric shapes. These additional elements can add context, highlight key features of your dish, or simply make your ad more visually engaging. Animations are next on the list, and they are where the magic happens. Select any text, elements, or entire scenes from your ad to add animations. With a simple click, you can bring static elements to life, adding a professional touch that keeps viewers engaged. When transitioning between clips, consider using the match and move or pan transitions. These will help maintain a smooth flow throughout your ad, preventing any abrupt changes that might distract from your message. Speaking of elements, click on the Elements option on the left toolbar. Here, you'll find various design tools that can enhance your video further. It's a great way to explore additional creative options and refine your ad. Music can set the mood of your ad, making it memorable. Browse Canva's audio library to choose a track that complements your visuals. Whether you want something upbeat to energize viewers or a sensual tune to highlight the luxury of your dish, Canva's extensive music library has got you covered. Finally, once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to share it with the world. Click on Share, then download your ad in the MP4 format. This ensures high-quality playback across various platforms, capturing your audience's attention wherever they are. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a stunning motion graphics food ad using Canva. Enjoy crafting your content and watch how it transforms your audience's engagement.